Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To update WhatsApp in the case of Android, we entered the Play Store. Then we write WhatsApp in the search engine at the top. Here we enter the WhatsApp Messenger application. We click here to enter. Here, we will find the Update button. We just need to click it and it will be done automatically. As we see, here we are informed that the last update was on March 30, 2020. It says that the dark mode is now available. If you don't see that, it's because there is no update for WhatsApp. From the iPhone, we enter the Apple Store. We type WhatsApp and enter the application. In the same way, in this case we are informed of the update that has been made. We click on Update and it will automatically begin to install. We must wait a moment, this depends on the speed of our internet. When it finishes, the button will say Open. That's it. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.